our Dijon mustard and also place inside. And we're going to whisk these together. Once all of the oil has finished, we can continue mixing to ensure a smooth mixture. Before taking anchovies, freshly shaved Parmesan cheese, Dijon mustard, Lyon Perrins, or also known as Worcestershire sauce, our chopped garlic, and finally our lemon juice. Now we can stir everything through. So once everything is nicely mixed in together, we can then take a pinch of salt and some white pepper powder, and we also stir that through. Now our Caesar dressing is ready for use. So, not a full spoon, maybe half a tablespoon, and we place inside the pan while we allow that to melt before we add inside our bread. So once that has melted, we can place our bread inside. Now you can see that they are nicely toasted on both sides. Okay, so they're nice, crispy and golden. So what we can do is we can take some of our freshly chopped parsley. We mix in with them. A chef knife. We can then just cut the egg in half and then into quarters. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is take together with the lettuce leaves. Once everything is nicely mixed, we are now ready for plating. Okay, so to begin plating, first we take our pre-tossed lettuce leaves, we drain off any excess liquid or dressing, and we place before taking a microplane and freshly shaving some Parmesan cheese. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again soon.